Look at his feet are crossed.
I know. He's just sitting on the couch. He's just like, boop-a-doo.
Sweet boy. He looks pretty comfy, actually. Hi, Alfie.
Just chilling.
Stomach. What do you think, baby? Oh. Did I interrupt your sleep? He doesn't even want to get up to bite me. He's just...
Look at the way his legs are crossed, too. Just like...
You're a sweet boy. Oh. Now you want to get up and play? Oh.